But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime.
Vanakkam machas, I am Priya and welcome back to my channel. I'm really sorry guys for being inconsistent because my exams are going on and I'm not really finding time to film. And today's video will be a get ready with me for the wedding, completing the whole wedding series. Do follow me on my social media, that is Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification to get notified every time I upload a video. Without any further ado, let's get started with this video. I'm starting off by applying my lip balm. I'm using the Maybelline Baby Lips. This is in the flavor Cherry Kiss. Next step, I'm applying my moisturizer. I'm using the L'Oreal Hydrafresh Anti-Shine Icy Gel. It's a gel-based moisturizer and has a super cooling effect on my skin, and I'm in love with this product. Next, I'm using the L'Oreal Grape Seed Spa Water as my toner. I've recently started using this product and it's working pretty good. I'm just gonna take few drops on a cotton pad and dab it all over my face. Next, I'm using a primer. This is the Maybelline Gold Gel Base Primer. This has tiny gold particles in it and works pretty good for my skin, which is a combination skin type. I'm just gonna take 2 to 3 pumps of the product and apply it on my face. I'm starting off with my base by applying my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Nude Beige. I'm taking a damp beauty blender and dabbing the foundation all over my face. Don't forget to dab it on your neck. Next up is concealer. I am using the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 Medium. I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eyes and at the bridge of my nose. Again, using the beauty blender to blend the concealer into the skin. Please make sure you use a dabbing motion. And using the tip of the beauty blender really works well for under eyes. Now, I'm using a compact. This is a compact by Miss Claire. I'm in the shade Natural Beige. Using a compact brush, I'm applying it all over my face. For my eyes, I'm using this palette by Sivanna. I'm using this brown shade as a base. Using this fluffy brush, I'm applying the shade. Now I'm taking this gold shade which is shimmery. I'm dabbing it onto the base and applying a little bit on the inner corners. Next step, I'm using an eyeliner. I'm using the Calabar waterproof liquid eyeliner. Instead of a black kajal, I'm using this gold one for my waterline. It is a gold metallic shade and it goes well with my outfit. Next up is mascara. I am using the Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Mascara. Here comes my favorite part, highlighting. I am using the Maybelline's Master Chrome Highlighter. This is in the shade Molten Gold and I am using a fan brush by PAC. Next up is blush. This is the Maybelline's Master Flush Creator. This is in the shade next to Nude. As my last step, I'm using a lipstick. This is in a chocolate brownish shade. This is from the range The One by Oriflame. So that's it for makeup. Now let's get into hair. I am using a hair dryer and I have changed the nozzle to a brush. I have used the Be Blunt Intense Moisture Serum. I'm slightly going to brush through my hair and don't forget to use a heat protectant serum. This is a hack you can use to get more volume in your hair. Just take the front part of your hair and brush it in a downward direction and you can instantly see the volume. Done with my hair.
Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your climb. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know yet. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
This is my mom's sari and I paired it up with a golden sequin crop top. For accessories, I wore these heavy earrings and bangles with a combination of gold, brown and orange. Because I didn't want to trip while walking, I wore these sliders which are brown in color and have these golden beads stuck on it, which gives Indian vibes.
Just to make me feel again, I wanted something real. Just escape for a moment.